Let us compute simple and compound interest at various frequencies of compounding. Let's see, the data is like this. Any data, number of years, say 7 years, and rate of interest is say 10%. Simple interest is the formula. Entire period is obtained by PNR. So P is equal to P star N star. R is already in percentage, so nothing to be changed. Compound interest. Now we want to get compound interest annually, half yearly, etc. Interest. Now for that, let us make some changes here. Annually, if it is compounded annually, that means once a year. If it is half yearly, that means there are 2 periods in the case of half yearly. If it is quarterly, there are 4 quarters. So quarterly is 4. Monthly, there are 12 months. 12 months. So you get 12 months. Keep that. And now compound interest, so you put it as is equal to concat inverted comma compound interest compounded space comma annually and bracket close. So I get compound interest. When I drag this one, instead of annually, I'll get half yearly. One more I'll get quarterly. One more I get monthly. Now increase the width of this one. So formula is, first of all, I have to compute the what is known as the amount, and then deduct or subtract the P from there. So first the formula is equal to P. P is here, star 1 plus whatever be the rate divided by the period. Suppose hat for power, number of periods, that is number of years into how many times? Once a year. So this will give me the compound interest minus, I subtract this principal I taken. So that gives me, then I can reduce the decimals using this one. How many decimal places? Now, if I drag it here, the 8,000 will not be taken, 7 will be taken. So I have to freeze the formula for whatever the values there in the C. So C3 should be frozen to by function F4. C5 also had to be frozen, function F4. Wherever C's are there, I have to freeze those dollar signs. H is not to be frozen because we are going to, so now this again, shift function F4. Now if I drag this down, this one, when I drag this down, I get for half yearly, quarterly, and monthly. So with one formula writing, just because we have done it here, we have avoided this heading is automatically taken care of. And to get now, the requirement is to make a graph of this one. All I have to select this one and I say insert graph. Graph has come. And maybe I can change this one. Interest. And if I want, I can put the data labels also. And if I want to format this one, I can say this is format axis. And I can say this is number. And the number is a currency. So done. So whole thing is done. And I don't think we have taken more than 5 minutes for this one.